Pog. You're chilling and suddenly it's an achoo moment. Ever wondered what's going down when you sneeze? Sneezing is your body's epic cleanup crew, kicking out dust, pollen, and those pesky germs. Here's the 411. Nose detects irritants, brain goes. Time to sneeze. You take a deep breath, then bam. Air blasting out at 100 mph. But what makes you go, skibbity sneeze? Dust, strong smells, and, oh yeah, colds could trigger that reflex. Fun fact. A single sneeze can shoot out 100,000 droplets, yikes. And if you thought one sneeze was enough, think again. Some folks go for round 2 or 3. And did you know you can't sneeze with your eyes open? Crazy, right? If you feel a sneeze creeping up, press below your nose or breathe deep to hold it off. But remember, sneezing is your body's vibe check, so don't skip it. Next time it hits, just say, bless you, to your crew.